Hey, hi everyone. So this is Siddharth, and I hope you are all doing very well in your life. And today's content is about whether Nifty is in bubble or Nifty has gone too much high. Why Nifty recovers so much more than it declines. So we have so many doubts around this, and TV channels or gurus and all of are like that. We are sitting on a pile of cash, 1.5 lakh crores, 2 lakh crores. But bro, there is a fundamental reason behind this why Nifty recovers more than so much it declines. So I have picked up a few data points from the past 7 8 years, and I hope so. I would be able to make you all of understand that why, or why Nifty is not in a bubble right now. So the returns, total returns for Nifty majorly consist of three elements. First is the fundamental returns, which is due to the growth in the EPS, and second one is the speculative returns, which is due to the PE expansion or contraction, and third one is the dividend yield. Okay. So from these past data, so I have collected this one few days ago in September month. So these are the years here, and we have Nifty 50 value here, P ratio, how much total returns the Nifty has generated, fundamental return, speculative dividend yield. In the next video, I will come up with all the formulas for fundamental returns, speculative returns. So what I want to convey here through this video is that so you are seeing here the fundamental returns in percentages and here the speculative returns. So what I want to say is that there are a lot of numbers here, there are a lot of numbers here, some negative, some very positive. So let's suppose this one. We take this one. Okay, so during the COVID year, our fundamental returns were reducing, speculative returns, that is P expansion, was increasing. So the Nifty increased a little bit, but then what happened? COVID occurred, and we know from that point market boomed. Why? Just because it grows, the Nifty grows just by the EPS growth, not the speculative one. So there was no speculation in the market. That's why there was an unstoppable rally from 11,000 to 17,000. But then we know Russia-Ukraine war happened, and every time when a war happened, we are all like whether we should sell a portfolio, buy at a lower level, what we should do that at that point. So when we look at the this Russia-Ukraine war era, so what we can see here is that there was a lot of reduction in the speculative return, and only the Nifty uh, went on grow and grow just due to the EPS growth. And after that also, speculative returns are very minimalistic, and e- Nifty is growing just on the basis of fundamental returns. So this is the whole story, that Nifty is growing based on its fundamental returns. It is not in bubble at all. That's why every time 1, 2, 3, 4% at max the fall occurs, and it gets recovered by 2x or 3x more than it declines. In the next video, I will come up with all the data points during this IT bubble, global recession, that what were the fundamental returns and speculative returns during those years, how the bubble got created, and how it was reflected in these data points. Now, finally, when I am arriving at a point where I concluded that, and or what I inferred basically is that Nifty 50 has a return of around 13.83%, but its EPS has been growing for about 14.46% during the past 7-8 years. So still when Nifty was at 21,150, it has to catch up its EPS growth at least. So this much growth can be seen in the Nifty, and when I calculated this one, the value came about 26,296. And around this value, it Nifty reaches around this value. And on Friday, observation is there from my side, from the trading perspective, from the technical analysis perspective, what happened during Friday on the hourly chart. I will definitely share with all of you in my next video. So I want to convey all of you that this is the value where Nifty matches its EPS growth, and that was the after this, if still Nifty is growing with this rate, its earning is growing with this rate, and Nifty will definitely catch up its earning. So the bubbles comes when the earnings are not growing, but the Nifty is returning too much, has returns too much just because of the speculation in the market that everyone is thinking, yeah, PE expansion is happening, so Nifty must go higher and higher. But still, it is not in bubble. Why? Because its EPS is growing by this rate, it is growing by this rate, and it has to still catch up its EPS. So at least this value must come, and which has been achieved on this week's Friday. So that's it from my side, and I hope this video was a eye opener for all of you. So the bogus answers like there are a lot of cash, that's when Nifty is increasing and increasing. So that's not the case at all. Nifty has to catch up its earnings ultimately. That's the reason here. So yeah, so if you like my content, so do like, share, comment, and I am open to all of you for any kind of feedback. Thank you.